Oh my gosh, welcome back to REANIMAL Part 2. I'm so excited to get back into this game. We're literally playing this like back to back. Yesterday was Part 1, today is going to be Part 2. But yeah, yesterday we fought a British guy who kidnapped us, and as revenge we ran him over with his ice cream truck. It was pretty crazy. But if that video had a lot happening, this video has even more happening, and I'm going to tell you this is a great video.
Yo, chill with the glazing doc.
But as a recap from last time, Sean fell down a hole a lot. My mic peaked. Oh, I'm gonna talk about that too. But I'm so sorry. But it's gonna be in this video too. But my mic doubles sometimes because my webcam also has a mic that it was picking up from. So you're gonna unfortunately hear that bad audio quality again. But I don't want to make this intro too long like last video, so let's get into it right now. Why am I walking so slow, bro?
I know.
What's going on?
So your frames are dropping too.
No, like, I'm literally just walking slow. Look at me.
Oh, what? Did you like break a leg or some shit?
I don't know. Oh, that door. Oh yeah, we have the cutters now. Wait, but what happens if we go back here? Oh, there's like wood blocking us. Yeah, okay.
Wait, so what's different?
I think with the cutters now, right? We have the cutters. We go to the fence and we cut it open. Oh, we just do this. Okay, cool part. Nice.
Is this the only kid we're rescuing, or is there more?
Why is he sitting down? What is he doing?
He's a loser, bro.
Bro. I think there are more, because there was like tons of kids at the well, right?
Oh, hell no.
Oh, what?
What is this?
No, what? Is this one of those optional routes? Whoa. Interesting.
Okay, so computers exist.
Yeah. What is this? Oh, okay. Okay.
A wheel.
Yeah, so we use this.
Might need that.
Yeah.
How's your frame rate right now?
My frame rate's not bad. I can see your
Mine's pretty cooked.
Yeah.
This is gonna fuck me over.
Oh, you opened something. Is that it?
It's a prison?
Oh, but we need to go on the other side probably. Look, there's like a lever on the other side. Wait, okay. I think we close it again. Wait,
You sure?
Come over here? Yeah.
Why would we open it and then close it?
No, because like we didn't know. But like now we're closing it because we know. Oh, but okay, wait, okay. Yeah, this is good. So there's a crack in the wall here.
This is good news.
There's a crack in the wall here, but we jump. Oh, yo, I almost fell off. Okay, and then we jump again.
I was able to switch the functions of the side buttons,
Okay.
but
Okay, that's good.
okay. But now it seems that I think I just can't. The buttons work for gameplay.
Oh my god.
I just
Do you have Instagram?
Okay.
feel like a little
this,
more.
This is good. I think this is good.
Okay.
Don't miss.
All right, you first.
Don't miss. Okay, wait. I think I might have you wait on the other side then. Actually, wait. I think you might have to come because there's a door here. Don't miss. No.
Never
Okay.
missed.
Oh, and then it opens that. and then we close the door. Wait. And then we
Yo,
reopen
crazy
it.
idea.
Yeah.
Crazy idea. What if by opening these doors we're setting something free?
Oh, that's gonna be crazy. That's true.
Like it's helping us get across,
Yeah.
but we're also opening a giant gate for something.
Okay. Wait. Okay. We gotta be careful about this. We gotta be careful about this.
Okay, you go, you go.
Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go. All right.
Like, you found the secret
We didn't park here.
room.
Who moved it?
Pretty sure we parked here.
No, we parked like a little bit to the left. Right.
What? Dude, it's just a void.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Oh, careful, careful.
Hard to look around. What? Yo! This is
What?
crazy. Oh, you're my eyes. You're moving the camera. Okay. You're moving the camera for me too.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So do we land here? Where do we go? Oh, there's like
I-
lines everywhere though.
Maybe we
Oh,
explore?
this is nauseating. Oh, I didn't notice that one there. Okay. We follow the
Oh,
trail
careful,
of lines. Yo, it's so dark here. Yo!
Careful, careful, careful.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. It's like an array, so just be careful.
Oh, it's like rocking.
Oh, sorry. I'm doing my best here.
Okay, yeah, we
Oh
got
my god, dude, what happened here?
What the heck? Yo, it is dark.
What the fuck?
Wait, I think you could point your light places using the camera. Like if you move your camera around. Okay, Is this a mall? Oh, it is.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like a grocery store.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh yeah, that's all the shopping carts. Dude, what the fuck happened to this place?
Who's that?
What? Oh,
Oh, it's
what
one of
the
those
fuck?
fat guys.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, bro. we
Just
gotta
looking
move,
for a
we gotta
snack?
move, we gotta move.
Oh, we're in like Walmart.
Oh, we're in like the central. We're in Fat Guy Central. We're Ryan Marge.
Yeah, literally.
Yo! Drive faster! Yo!
Is it you or me who controls the driving faster?
I'm driving it faster.
Okay, because it told me, gave me the
Oh, it
warning
gave
too.
you the prompt too?
So you can't control the camera at all.
No. You're controlling the light, and then I'm controlling
I guess just go right.
the prompt. Oh my goodness, man. The camera needs to catch up.
On God, bro.
Yo! Oh my
Whoa.
goodness.
What?
Whoa. Yo, this game actually looks so crazy.
That game looks so cool. Like,
Yeah, bro,
just
this
the
game is
environmental
actually
design.
so crazy at the environment.
Oh, what's there? What's there?
Oh, I think we go over there. I think we go over there. This route looks blocked.
Okay. Just take my mask off.
Your pig mask?
Yeah, it looks weird.
Okay, I don't think we go up here. We go here?
I am not
Is it just
going in.
not? Is it just not giving the prompts to open doors or something? Like, or like, are we missing something here? Is this actually where we're supposed to be?
If we're missing the prompt, it looks like we're. Oh, maybe we get up here. Oh, we're supposed to climb up here.
Oh.
Fucking love the environment design.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
So much detail.
Oh. Oh, this guy's like harpooned.
Ooh, yikes. Oh, I think we can take one.
Oh, yo. Only you take them. Oh, I don't get any? Okay. I guess
Sorry,
I'm
bro.
Wait,
Yo,
what
why
you-
is there like asbestos floating in the air?
Yeah, what is this? Yo, we mounting harpoons on this?
What does one do with a stack of
Ow.
harpoons? Oh shit.
I don't even know.
Okay. Something.
Can you like throw them onto the boat? Oh, you can. Okay, so that is what we get. Is that all we get here? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, we push it back in. Oh, you're driving now. Okay. Interesting.
Am I?
It's just whoever's first.
Use L or Y to equip and throw the harpoon.
L1. Oh, yo.
Alright.
Okay, throw the harpoon. There's nothing
Wait.
for me to throw at here. Wait. Oh,
How
I
about-
moved the camera, right. Okay, I moved the camera.
Yeah. Okay.
Yo,
so
no way.
I think we throw the harpoons at the mine.
Yeah. Yo, that's so cool. Okay.
But-
Yeah. God, bitch. Oh. Yo. Oh, that was close. Dang. Oh, and then the mine there. Oh. Oh my goodness.
That close. Oh, tight.
Hell. Oh, pretty cozy. Let's go. Keep going.
Bruv.
Wait, do I have like a limited amount of these?
Maybe.
This guy is a shotgun arm, man. God damn.
That
My
bitch.
chances. Oh,
Oh, what the fuck was that?
I don't know. I think it's one of our friends. Oh my goodness.
Turn around.
I think so. I think so. Yo.
Oh, you go through there.
Oh, was that it? I think that's it. I think we go through there, yeah.
Oh,
Wow, why is intense music still playing? Oh, no, I think we go right. I think we go right.
yo, Sleep Ratatouille.
Yeah.
Beginning of the movie. No.
Yo. Yo, I missed. The what?
He's out of here.
Alright.
Why is it so dark?
Just keep moving through. Yeah, it's like I'm flashing my light.
Wait, do you see your light?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, I don't see your light.
Oh, is the graphics that look great?
Well, I saw your light last time.
Oh, that was
Oh.
close. Bro. That was close. Get to the right here. Oh,
No,
who's
just
that in the
before we-
window? I'm moving around in the window. Oh, it's gone now. Wait, who is that? Oh, it's a cloth.
No, because before we died, your
Oh, you
lamp
don't
was
see my
on.
lantern anymore?
I don't know. It's like a bug or something.
Yeah, I think it is a bug.
so it's like really bad. Fuck it up.
How many harpoons do we have?
I don't know. A lot.
Why are they just eating?
No, I don't know.
Hey guys, is this a W Eats, guys? So I got the fry.
It's like Sniffer's hive mind or something.
Yeah.
Okay, now I can't see a thing.
Oh no. Yeah, cause I
Give
can
me-
see I can see kind of good.
Give me comms and I'll follow.
Yeah. Okay. Just keep going. Okay. You want to keep to your left a bit, cause there's like a blockage.
Okay.
Okay, and then straight out.
Stupid ass.
Yeah.
Bug.
Okay, go to the left. I think there's like.
Okay.
Don't do it.
Hello?
Don't do it.
Hello?
Oh, it's one of our friends. Look at him.
Shiitake Ballsack.
Yo!
Who's that? What the fuck? It's a giant bird.
Giant bird. Oh, the bird's going to the lighthouse right now.
You can see the bird?
Yeah, it's like in the
Oh, I can
distance.
see it. I can
Yeah,
see
yeah.
it. Yeah. My lighting is just not. Your lantern isn't working for some reason.
Yeah.
Well, it
that's-
was last time.
What is this? Yo, it's like a Star Wars cannon.
Yeah.
This is so crazy.
Yo,
This
what is
What
that?
is that?
Okay, I was thinking more like the buildings, but then I just noticed that monster.
Yeah.
Fuck. Bro, what happened
Is
to
he
it?
gonna chase after us?
Hopefully.
What's going on? No, I think we need to follow the bird. I think we need to follow the bird right here. The lighthouse. Oh yeah, okay, I guess when in doubt, follow the boys. Use equipment, use my... What the... Oh! Yo!
Why?
Yo, what the heck?
Why? Okay. It's like these birds were dead. And they reanimated. A reanimal, if you
It's
will.
almost... Almost like they were reanimaled.
Ah.
How intriguing, indubitably. Oh, this is crazy. What?
I don't like what I'm seeing. It's like it's too nice.
Yeah. Oh, what?
This is
Yo.
what. Oh, dude, my
This
GPU,
is so
my
scenic,
CPU, bro.
Wait, let me see how
My
hot my
CPU,
computer
bro.
is. Oof.
My poor
Steak on that
CPU. Ah. Oh, dude, my phone was next to the fan. My phone is so hot.
thing.
Oh man, my poor CPU.
Yeah, bro, I could hear my computer. Do we just go? Okay, yeah. Oh, I hoist you up.
What?
Oh, you look in. Oh, it's pigs. Well, what are the rats eating? Is that another pig?
Wait, can we jump over this fence?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Wait, they knocked something over. What is this? Ooh, there's a key there. Yo! Get the fuck off! Yeah. Okay, we got a key.
Raining. Raining feathers. You think British boy's making a comeback?
British boy?
Sniffer, I think his name was.
Sniffer? I think he died.
Oh. Is he even alive to begin with?
He ran Dan over with his diamond minecart. Oh, I just hit you. What? Why
Yeah,
are we
bro.
getting a prompt here? Are we like entering its asshole or something? What is this? Oh, okay, we're just pushing that away.
Pushing its balls, bro. Yeah, they're so fat. Oh wait, there's a door here.
Oh, there's a big one. What the heck?
There's a
There's like a
Wait.
big one in here.
I beg your pardon.
Look at him.
What the fuck?
Oh, look at his
Wait.
stomach. Yo, it's eating another pig.
Wait, there was a door back there. You want to check that out first?
Yeah, wait. Is he gonna chase us?
Do we speak pig now?
I guess so. He just spoke at me. Oh, you can open it. Okay.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
we're just leaving Hood in there. Okay.
Wait, is it the door we entered?
No. It was fenced
Oh.
off, the one that we entered. What the
It's
heck?
been so
Oh,
long.
it's a lighthouse.
Dude, the level design is so sick.
Yeah.
Ooh, thin beam we gotta walk across.
Oh boy.
But I walk fast because I have girl privilege.
Oh, now I walk fast too. Little pig, let me in.
Dude, what if the prompt actually was for climbing into the pig's ass? Kind of like how Sniffer like climbed into like those fat
Oh yeah,
guys.
the fat guys, yeah. Oh, is he in a cage?
Yo,
How did the bird put him in a cage? Do we need the harpoons? Imagine we need to go all the way back down to the boat and get like one
I'm actually
harpoon and then just like
cut my
shoot
balls
it out.
off if we had to do that.
Oh, you just cut the rope.
Oh shit, I died.
What? Yo, get out of here! Yo! Yo! Shoot! Oh my goodness, bro. Yo, we need to walk across that thin beam.
Okay, come on, girl privilege, girl privilege. Come on.
Oh, we just ate that. We just like owned that shit. Oh, this chase scene was so good. What the heck?
It feels like it's actually gonna get me. Like, you know, like.
Yo, listen to this theme, bro. Look at like that riff.
Ooh.
Oh my god! Yo, I'm stuck on the wall!
I felt like it chased where I was actually gonna get killed, cause like when I'm playing like FNAF and I'm running from the mimic, it's like,
Yeah.
bro, it's almost impossible. It's almost impossible to not get caught. Or no, it's almost impossible to get caught by the mimic when you're like
Really?
running from it.
It's that easy?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wait, don't get caught, don't get caught.
I can't see.
Aw.
Yeah. I can't see.
Open the door.
Now what?
Yo, the big ass pig is there. Yo, move! Oh my goodness! Oh, we're running with the pigs, Oh, we're just leaving him in there. Yo, it's burning! Where'd the fire come from? Oh, we're just leaving the pigs in there to die.
Action terminated.
That's crazy. Where do we go? Wait, who do we have with us now? This is Bandage? This is Bandage. Oh, it's a bus stop.
I wonder if it's gonna come.
Gonna take us to school.
Night school.
Is that really what
Oh,
we
this
do? We
is
just
tough.
sit down? That's what we do?
This is tough.
That is tough. That's pretty tough. That's actually so
I'm
tough,
screenshotting
actually.
it.
Yo, that's
I'm screenshotting this shit if I can.
Is Bandage talking?
No idea.
You know why we're here? No idea. They don't know why they're here.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
What is it? Is there a lamb inside of her? Oh, we saw this. We saw this yesterday too. What? Just an upset tummy.
Oh.
Driving this? Who is driving this bus?
Maybe it's like Sniffer. He had to change of heart.
Hey, what's up, man? Wait, actually, what?
Oh, it's just a fat dude.
We're just fucking with this. Like, we're just fine with this. You could be driving us into the gaping maw of a monster, and then we're just fine with it.
The kids want some candy.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, my closet door is open. It looks so scary right now. Oh, what the fuck?
Why is my head like shaking? What's going on?
Because you're stimming.
Stevie?
Your character's got autism.
Bus driver's just dead. How did we get here? Is he transparent? He's transparent. What the heck?
He's a phantom.
Bye, Sniffer.
Daylight.
Oh, we're in Auschwitz, the sequel. Wait, what is
This is like, it's a mansion or some
yeah,
shit.
it's like a mansion. Why are there so many beds out here? They're like throwing them out the window.
Is there beds? Bro, how do you
Yeah.
even see that, bro? Maybe I should turn my brightness up. Oh yeah, I just needed my brightness up. I didn't realize we were allowed to move.
Look at Bandage just sitting on. Always hated that place. Wait, we were from here? That's why we're here.
I didn't even hear them talk, bro.
I didn't hear them either. I just read the subtitles.
Bro, they need to like
Yo, I'm hoisting
work
you
on
up.
their.
I think.
Okay. They need to work on their audio mixing.
Yeah. What the heck is that?
Otherwise, peak game.
Oh,
Maybe we like throw a rock at it.
maybe we move the hands.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah, we do.
Why though?
We've just like
Yeah, that's not
alerted like every single
That's
monster
not gonna
in the
draw
fucking
attention.
area to like our current area right now.
Now all of China
Our
knows
current
we're here.
location. Yeah.
Shitty ad game.
Oh,
Nah,
your
I'm
fingers
just
just
kidding.
your fingers just got cut off from the fucking broken glass.
Yeah, on God. Oh, bro, why does the roof look so good?
What?
Are we? No. Okay.
We need a tightrope. Wait, do
Oh,
we
I
actually
think I hit
tightrope?
back.
Oh no, we don't. Okay, I think we.
It
ran
looks
out of
like we
space there.
should. Oh yeah. I think I just snapped my Achilles by the sound of that.
One in the
Book.
book. I'm gonna pull this off. Oh, it's a latch.
Oh,
Oh, we just didn't know if there was anything to cushion our fall. We just fucking.
leap of
Wait,
faith,
there's a
bro.
kid there.
Oh, I want
What's
to
up?
punch it.
Wait, there's multiple. Are these our friends? Fuck out of here. Oh boy. Oh, is that one of our friends in the bucket? Yo, that's the king up there. Look at him. Good shit.
Oh. Beat him up.
Let go of me. Let go of me.
Who, me?
Yo, they grab you, bro. They grab you.
I teleported. Yo, I think teleportation's part of my girl privilege.
I didn't know girls could teleport.
What else are they hiding from us?
They shed their skin.
Yeah, dude, I was actually
Yeah, no,
denial
they
of
actually
that.
do that. Apparently.
Like on their period, like their face peels.
Yeah.
Why did I not know that until I was like 18? Like that's like actually crazy.
Yo, do you think like they were trolling us though, like when they told us?
They might have been. Ooh, this is pretty.
Oh, what the heck?
Ah.
Oh, that's like a whole ass pig.
Yo, this is like Animal Farm, bro.
What is that? It's never towards the camera. Oh
Yeah.
shoot.
Oh hell no! What was that climbing the wall?
Yo, okay. Oh, so is this like an orphanage?
Maybe. Oh yeah, lots of bunk beds. No mercy, bitch.
Ooh, poster.
What are the posters for? What the fuck?
It's just watch out behind you, bro. Oh wait, do we go here? You know
Maybe.
that sometimes the paths enemies open up is actually the right one, which like that's never the case ever in games, but whatever. What the? Oh, I thought that was our friend. What the heck? Yo, let go of me. They tricked
Wait,
us.
am I grabbing you?
No. The guys are grabbing me. Yo, the one's throwing shit at us.
It's got a harpoon, bro. Oh, what the?
Yo, who made that scream? Ooh, I got the harpoon thing.
Chroma.
Oh, I just threw it aside. Okay, whatever.
Yeah. Chroma. Yeah.
Oh, I'm on the other side. Do we jump over? Oh, we do. Nah, what the heck? It's so dark.
Oh, we have a Zippo. That's cool.
That guy's moving.
Okay,
Oh, he
you
killed
light.
you.
I.
No, wait.
Okay.
You have the big ass lantern. I only have a lighter. I think you
Okay,
should
I'll use the
light, and then
lantern.
I'll
You
just-
fight.
Yeah, I'll
You
fight.
fight, I'll light.
Yeah.
And I want you to know, baby. Okay, I wasn't even sprinting. I'm surprised about it.
Okay, I'm gonna equip my thing. Yo, they're all moving. They're all moving.
This isn't a very good lamp. Uh-oh, I'm getting... So, like, one person lights it up?
Yeah, yeah, the game's meant to be hard. Okay, I think we just take it slowly. Let them come at us like one at a time. Why is that one? Why did that one get activated? Why did that one get activated? Oh,
What if...
Let's try running for it.
Okay. If not, we just fight in the dark.
Yeah.
If we just mash and pray, then, like...
Okay. Alright, let's run. This way. Oh, we're just stepping all over them. Where do we go?
Oh.
Oh, we need to fight. We need to fight. We need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need
Use
to.
the
pry-
crowbar
It
on.
like takes time to pry it open. Okay, yeah, and then there's like some light here, but it's still,
Unless we
like,
can
so
just do it
dark.
really quickly.
Okay, help me out here. Oh, we just didn't activate them this time because we spawned here. Okay, sick. Oh! Wait, I think you need to stand on the other end, or like I'll stand on the end. and then you
Oh,
make it.
yeah. Physics.
Yeah, physics.
They're trying to make me use my brain. What the fuck?
Okay, you standing?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Oh no, and then I
Oh,
tipped this over.
you
I
pushed
tipped
the
this over.
bookshelf.
Yeah. I'm surprised that didn't just go crashing down into the bottom there.
Yeah, right. It just barely bridges the gap.
Oh man. Oh, we're here. Oh shoot, I didn't even realize it. I was watching Bucket get like lowered down into the pit. We need to help him. We need to help him. Yeah, we need to wheel him back up. He comes up and he's in there.
Wait, is there a friend strapped to it?
Yeah. Okay. How do we get him off?
I don't see anyone on there. I just see a... Wait, you're saying someone's strapped to that?
Yeah, someone's strapped to this.
Oh, okay. Wait, I was looking at it wrong.
Oh,
Just looked like a thing. Looked like a... What am I doing, bro?
I think you need to come here too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there is a person.
Okay, yeah, so you're... Oh no. Oh, okay. Oh, shoot.
Just... Wait, what? Is this mandatory?
Wait, is this scripted? Oh, it is, okay. Oh, we're all being sacrificed now.
What to
I can
what?
see my Stewie Griffin head.
Oh, Brian.
What do we do? I'm struggling now.
Oh, I have a knife. I'll
Oh
set
yeah,
us
you
free.
do have a knife. Did
But I
they
can't-
take our weapons though? Oh,
Maybe.
Oh. Where's our friend?
Where's my snare?
Where's my snare? Oh, what the heck?
Okay,
Oh, it's like
we're stuck
Roblox.
together. It's like that episode of Death Note.
Yeah.
Okay, that just happened.
He looks like the Moose Man.
The Moose Man.
Who the hell is the Moose Man?
Oh. I go around.
It is so dark. Oh, okay. Never mind. So we light it like that.
Bro, what
It's
is
like
this
a whole
place?
underground city here.
Why is there a city under an orphanage? What the
wait,
fuck?
wait. Turn the light on. Turn the light on. Okay. Yeah, wait. Why is there a city under the orphanage?
What is going on here? Do we just have to make up our own lore?
I think we do.
Okay.
It's like Futurama. That's.
You. Okay.
Okay, wait, no. You go to that little nub there, and I'll use the extra slack.
Oh.
Across here. And then,
Oh, dude,
shit.
this is genius game design.
And then I go here, and then you go to the into your way. Oh shit. Okay, wait. Oh. There we go. And then you just keep going. And then you go there. Oh shit.
Oh,
wait,
quicker
no.
one.
Okay, wait, okay. Yeah, there we go. And I go here, and then I'll wait for you to jump across.
I jump across.
Yeah. No. Across that ledge there. Yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Okay. Yo, I saw like a little secret down this way.
Really?
I think so.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay. Yeah.
I can't go there.
Oh, shit. I think we were supposed to do the puzzle differently. Wait, are we able to go back in? Oh, yeah, we can. Okay. Cross. Oh, I think there's a secret over here, too. I don't know. Okay, and then I go here.
Can you jump across?
Oh, I can't. No!
Okay, maybe we're not supposed to go for that.
I don't think so. I think that's to trick you into thinking that there is, and then it just kills you if you try it.
That's so mean, bro. Oh well, okay. Baby, bang it up, bit. What the? Did?
Oh. Okay, I probably should. Wait.
Yo, what the fuck is that, bro?
Oh, the
Don't
thing
tell
on
me
the
you didn't see that.
ceiling? Yeah, I saw it that time. Yeah, I didn't know it was a monster.
Maybe.
Oh man.
Look,
this guy's
kid, we don't go out all day.
Oh, he's tied up like us. He's tied up like us.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man?
Who's a good bucket man?
Oh, the pig is alive. The pig that was lowered as like a sacrifice.
What happened to Hood?
I think they're waiting outside, Hood and Bandage. They could have like helped us fight a bit, but
Oh, is the pig good?
no.
Poor
I'm
guy.
scared.
Poor guy.
Poor
I thought
guy.
it was like a zombie pig.
Oh.
That giant pelican thingy was like kind of a zombie.
Yeah.
Or maybe not.
Yo!
Ew. Oh, what? It's midnight.
Oh, it is?
Did Bucket just get eaten alive?
Oh, the
No.
sand people are chasing me, bro. Hey! Okay. That was completely lag, bro. Don't care about Bucket. Let's go.
Oh, hell no. Bucket!
Oh, look, he's like throwing up the sand kids. Oh shit.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh. This camera work is great.
On God, bro. It's like cinematic.
Oh my god.
Holy Pete.
Oh!
Holy Pete.
This way. Yo!
Leg, the leg. Are we? Mandatory cutscene.
Okay. Oh, my frames.
Yeah, same, bro. Oh, it's like daytime.
Yeah. Oh, there's a guy up there. What the heck? You see that?
Not really. Game mark.
Oh
Game's
shit.
the truth. Can this sand bitch fuck off?
Why don't we just
Did I do
fucking
that?
kill him? Yeah. Oh, yo!
Oh, what?
The thing
Oh,
popped out of the closet. It took so long to equip my crowbar. That kind of got me scared there. Wait, what's over here? There's something over here? Oh no. Yo, this is crazy. Look at this place. Oh my goodness. Who designed this place?
Kind of reminds me of Spirited Away.
Yeah, a little bit. I think actually like Little Nightmares was like inspired by it.
It's
a
like
bit.
there was the pigs earlier, and now we're on like the side of the building.
Why are you doing a little Dougie?
Who?
You.
Am I? I'm frozen in place. I'm completely
what?
frozen in place.
For me, you're doing like a little jig.
Really?
Oh.
I lost my connection.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
Ooh,
Look
that
at
was
camera,
sick.
bro. Look at that camera.
Run?
I think so. There's a lock. Can I hit the lock?
Why did they all turn to sand?
Oh shoot. That guy's
What?
alive. Oh, he dropped the key. Why is it still alive? Why does the music sound like that? Did you pick up the key? Oh yeah, you did. Oh,
Fuck.
potatoes.
Why are we on potatoes?
Why are you stuck? Oh shoot.
Oh, brother.
There's so many physics objects in this game. I'm like, my frames are dropping. Quit looking at here. Oh my goodness!
I am a pineapple.
What is this thing? What was this thing before?
I don't know.
Watch out for the bottles, watch out for the bottles. Watch out.
Sorry, bro. I'm a little
Oh,
slow.
shit.
Oh, does it?
Okay, wait, no. We'll wait for the next one. Wait for the next one.
Maybe it's like a beaver then.
Spider because it throws up its babies. No! Run.
Crazy how I can like run Fortnite smoothly on this.
Yes. Let's keep going. Oh my goodness, my frames. Yo, you're on the edge there. You're on the edge there. Okay, help me push this.
Generational locking to be doing this on 2 frames a second.
Yeah. Wait, help me push this.
Oh no.
Yo, okay, run. Jump.
Dude, the frames!
Frames. Okay,
They don't
it's a bit better.
exist.
It's a bit better. Jump over that. Crawl under here. Oh, okay, you didn't need to crawl.
Oh, I can't even see my.
Yo, it's like Roblox. Like Roblox obvious. Here we go. Go here. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I'm a character T-pose for a frame.
We fight.
Oh, and he just fucks off.
Oh, wait, pick these up.
And then he clicks post.
Wait, get out of there. Oh my goodness. Wait, throw. Ah. I think we could save each other. Like if he has it, or Or if it grabs us, then like we could like throw the spears. There we go. Oh, dude, that's so close.
Yuck.
Oh, let's go. Oh wait, watch out, watch out, watch out. They're gonna throw shit.
Oh, thank you. How
How
kind.
kind.
Oh, from the side. You sneaky bastard. Careful. Ooh. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh, did you die?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Sliming him out.
Yeah. And then I think he comes from the middle now. Yeah. Yep, and he's gonna go to the right.
What a
Oh,
goof
shit.
tart.
Watch out, he's gonna go from the left. Let's go, let's go.
Ooh, ooh, close.
Oh shit. Oh, nice.
See ya.
Let's go. How do we finish it off?
Bro, this orphanage is huge.
Finish it.
Oh, we get to climb into its ass.
Do it. Oh, we do. What the fuck? We're actually just
Oh, we
climbing
actually
into
do.
it.
Oh, it's like a prolapse.
Do we control it? And then it's ours now? Oh, this is weird.
I can use my controller as a vibrator.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Bucket.
Oh, our friend hasn't been digested yet. Reanimal kids would slime out the Little Nightmares kids any day, bro. You see those arms on them, bro? They're throwing
God.
that shit. Killed that thing.
So how many have we got now?
Okay, so this is Bandage, or no, this is Bucket. We have Bandage and Hood. And then
So there's
us
5
two.
of
So
us.
there's 5 of us. I think. Whoa, what the heck? Wait, where's our friends? They're on the car. Wait, are they here?
Oh,
to
we got a
save
free
us?
ride. Wait,
Oh, I
who's
think they're-
driving?
Wait, who are these guys?
Why do they have a gun?
Is
Come on,
this the
Bucket.
army? Let's go, yo! Are they here to
Who
save
dat?
us?
Who that?
Oh yeah, he just doesn't care we're here. Oh wait, maybe he's facing away, so maybe he just doesn't.
Come on, talk to each other.
Why did you come back to us?
Why'd you come back for us? There's fucking curling. Like, oh, shit.
Am I mute or something?
Oh, you were talking earlier. Like in yesterday, like when I see. What is going on? Dang. Is the gang all together? Yeah, the gang's all together. The army just fucking died. When were you planning to get off?
How about like 5 minutes? So
5
at
minutes?
like 12:27.
Okay, sure. Whoa,
Oh,
this
this
is
is so
weird.
tough.
Wow, the pipes formed like that. Dang.
Oh, I thought these were lockers.
What? Like a bandage trying to help out too.
Thank you, bandage.
Whoa. Okay, what do we need here? R2 to zoom?
Are you
Go
controlling
here?
the camera?
Yeah, I am controlling it.
Oh,
What was
who's that guy?
Oh, is that
Alright.
like a code? Oh, there's a generator out here. Okay.
They should make a game where the main objective is to turn on a generator.
Yeah. That'd be such a cool horror game. Just fixing generators all day. Oh, okay, so we have the code. Oh, and then we just keep pressing the buttons. And then like that.
What was the code again?
Yeah, I remember it.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, like that. And then we press the lever. Oh, that one's wrong. Wait, what?
Oh, it's like
no,
registering.
It's just registering, yeah.
Spun it.
Is it gonna open fire?
Oh no.
What is that?
What is what?
What's going on?
Where am I looking?
Did it just drop that there? Oh, look at that. It's bombed. Artillery shells. Oh, do we fire this with those artillery shells? I think we do.
Bro, imagine if like one of the kids was fat. Couldn't fit through.
I think one of the kids is fat.
Oh really? That's gonna be very inconvenient later.
We technically saved like 2 of them because we saved bandage and fuck it. Get off a boat. Ouch! Yo, slap him. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I think the game just amped up. Like the first was pretty cool. This is like next level. That's
Oh, yeah,
crazy.
for
Like,
sure.
The environments and everything too.